Hi students, here we are already on week 3 of school. Seems like it's going so fast. So this is going to be a short video because you're getting into the routine and you know what to expect. So I'm just going to show you where things are as usual. Folder 3 will be posted on Thursday morning bright and early, and it has the dates, the time frame that you have to complete it. So it is due on Sunday, September 23rd. And as usual, you'll see 3 things in this folder. One will be the video, the one that you're watching right now. Then there'll be a Nearpod lesson for week 3 and a podcast assignment for week 3. Same as there always has been since we started the school year. Let me jump over to OneNote to show you what to expect there. And there's not a bell work section, but there is a section called Refresh Your Memory. This is really a review from last week because on Friday, your first day of school this week will be Thursday. So on Friday, you're going to take a test, and this page will really help you refresh your memory about the things that you learned last week. It will help you do well on the test. Do this one first. You could even do this before you watch the Nearpod because it's really about last week. All right, then you'll have a graph analysis as usual with some questions underneath. Make sure you're looking carefully at the graph. It's a weird looking one this time. You can always click and drag it bigger in case you want to, the numbers are small, so if you click and drag it bigger, then you can read the numbers. Okay, and then the notes section, it's another table for you to fill out some definitions. You get these definitions from the Nearpod that you'll watch. So when you get to the last bit, you'll see it says, here are some notes for your OneNote page. You can pause it right there and then open up OneNote and put the information in. Examples are given for you in the Nearpod, but it's always best if you can find your own examples for your notes. And this might be a really good week to go click pictures from the internet about some of these things that you are trying to remember too. Just make them small so that they fit in your table. You have 2 processing activities this week. One is questions about a game that we're going to play in class on Friday. We're going to play a game and take some data, and we're going to make a graph about the deer in our game. And after you watch the Nearpod, after class and stuff, here's some questions to help you remember things that we talked about and illustrated in the game. Processing activity 2, you are supposed to go for a walk and look for relationships that we spoke about in the Nearpod. Take pictures of them. Copy your pictures and paste them in these squares. So you have to shrink them so they fit into the squares. By the way, you can clip a portion of your picture. I'm going to show you how to do that in class on Thursday, how to clip a picture and make it smaller in case you don't know how to do that. And then finally, as is common with us every week, there is another checklist for you to keep track of the things that you are doing. All right, students, you've been doing a great job for me, most of you, and I appreciate that very much. Make sure you're contacting me if you have questions, and we'll see you in class.